Ya, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all my pupils year 6 Al-Ghazali and 6 Safarabi. Okay, today we continue under unit 1, reading A Window to the World. Okay, we go to the slides. Okay, remember this passage. Okay, this is about scarecrow. We did this activity last week. All right. We did the activity last week and the mind map diagram or activities. Okay, but today activities we need to read. Okay, we need to read again the passage, and I want you to highlight the word in bold in the passage. Okay, so there are 6 words: organic, enormous, stretched out, effective, devastated, took out, rose up, and cleanse. Okay, these are the words you have. You need to focus and you need to understand what their meanings. Okay, so remember to read. Okay, don't just pinpoint the word or phrases, but I need you to read and understand the story. Okay, so in this activity you need to match all the words or phrases to their meanings, right? To their correct meanings. For example, okay, we have here extremely large. Okay, to look quickly at somebody or something, to put out a long arm, something produced without using artificial chemicals, to feel very shocked and sad, producing a successful result, to remove from its place, and an upward movement. Okay, these are the meaning of those phrases and words that are in the passage under title Scarecrow. Right. So the first one, extremely large. Okay, what are the words or phrases that have this meaning? Yes, enormous. Okay, to look quickly at somebody or something, cleansed. To put out a long arm, stretched out. Something produced without using artificial chemicals, organic. To feel very shocked and sad, devastated. Producing a successful result, effective. To remove from its place, took out, and an upward movement, rose up. Okay, got it? So there are 8 meaning of words. Okay, very good. Next. Okay, still in your handouts. Okay, based on the passage, Scarecrow, complete the task given. Okay, give a title to the story. So I already stated 4 titles here. Okay, you can choose one, or maybe you have your opinion to have your own titles. Do so. Okay, please do so. All right. For example, the title, the scary scarecrow, the deadly scarecrow, the night of the dead, and the scarecrow is alive. Okay, these are the maybe suitable title for the passage. Okay, choose one, or maybe you want to have your own title. Okay, never mind, do so. And then, how do you think the story ended? Okay, how do you think the story ended? Okay, write your opinion by using I think at the end of the story, the scarecrow. Okay, I need you to use this line of a sentence. Okay, I will given 4. Okay, vanish from the earth. It's transformed into human. The scarecrow killed all by the villagers, and the scarecrow was burned, killed by the farmers. Okay, these are some suggestions for you to end up the story, but you can make your own one. Okay, your own suggestion. All right, please do so. Okay, this only the example. Okay, next one, complete the mind map below. Okay, in the story, the scarecrow head made by a pot. Okay, were made by a pot. Okay, now I need you to think of other things that can make the head of the scarecrow. For me, example, I use pumpkin. Okay, I use pumpkin instead of the pot. Okay, and then describe about this particular head. For example, I use pumpkin. Okay, I describe the pumpkin is big scary eyes. Remember the pumpkins. Okay, you can use other things, and also a round big head because the pumpkin is very big, and bright orange, the color of the pumpkin. Okay, you can use your own objects, or what kind of object they can use to make your scarecrow head. Okay, different from the fishes. And from the fishes, the head of the scarecrow is made from a pot. So for me, I want to make it from a big pumpkin, make it scary. Okay, for you, others also can. This is just an example. Okay, this just example. Okay, you can choose your own one. All right. Okay, next. Okay, in your textbook, page 7, I think. Okay, you look at this particular page. Okay, in this page, we have two titles of the books. One is Little House on the Prairie, and another book is Jaws. Okay, another book is Jaws. Alright, so I need you to read all the particulars in your textbook about Little House on the Prairie and the Jaws, and then choose one and fill up the report. Okay, fill up the report in your handouts. Okay, the book reports. Okay, book reports. Okay, so you need to fill in the particulars, the title, the author, the genre, the characters in the story, the synopsis. Okay, what happened. Okay, the whole thing, and all your opinion about the book. Okay, you can start with my opinion, the book. Okay, my opinion, the book is what or was what. Okay, interesting. Okay, I enjoy reading. Okay, you can choose one or two positive statement about the books. Okay, and then state one or two moral values or knowledge you gain. Okay, just one or two sentences, very short sentences to comply to the report book. Okay, do you understand? Okay, very good. Now let's go. Okay, in your handout also there are a table about compound words. Okay, this is a little bit of revision. Okay, revision that we did earlier about the compound words. So in this column there are two columns, A and B. You need to match the word from column A and B and make one and make compound words. Okay, examples are given to you: cow from column A and boy from column B. So cowboy. All right, cowboy. So I need you to complete B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, next, from those compound words, you need to complete the sentences. Okay, fill in the correct compound words to complete the sentences. We have 6 sentences, and we have 7 compound words. Okay, for example, KLIA is a very modern airport. There is only one cupcake left on the plate. Number 3, the shopkeeper is very polite to his customer. Number 4, she was in the kitchen when the doorbell rang. Number 5, Najmi is Asin's classmate. They are in 6 robotics. Number 6, Lee Ann's father loved to eat groundnuts while watching television. Okay, alright. So these are the things you need to do in your handouts. Okay, very simple. And all are in your textbook. Refer in your textbook and refer to my YouTube, my presentation to compile the answers. And please do all your homework and tasks I given to you. Alright, okay, next. From the word book, okay, from the word book, I need you to make another compound words. For example, book chef. Okay, book chef. Okay, and then write simple sentence indicate of that particular compound word. For example, I choose book chef. Okay, book chef. Okay, sentence, she put her favorite storybook on the bookshelf. Okay, on a bookshelf. Alright, this is one sentence. Okay, mistake, technical mistake in the word. Number 2. So she puts her favorite storybook on the bookshelf. So the word shelf. So what else can you make from the word book? Okay, bookshelf. What? Bookworm. Okay, very good. Bookworm. What else? Yes. Okay. Try to make others compound word by using the word book. Okay. So that's all for now. We will meet again maybe on Thursday. Remember to do your homework. You are awesome. Right? You are very best. Okay, you are good. Okay, so bye bye for now. Bye bye. See you later. Bye.